Our second leading story takes us to Nigeria. A low-key swearing-in ceremony as President Muhammadu Buhari took his oath of office. In attendance were members of the country's diplomatic community. And conspicuously missing at the event were former presidents Olusegun Obasanjo and Goodluck Jonathan. No African president or world leader of note attended the ceremony. Another surprise came when the president failed to deliver a speech. Some have criticized the president, saying it was a missed opportunity for him to further reassure Nigerians of his commitment to better the country. It should be noted that the government had previously said the event would be low profile in order to cut costs. Buhari, however, still faces a long list of challenges, including combating a sluggish economy, high unemployment rates, and security.
Exactly as you said, Lynette, the challenges facing the re-elected presidents of Nigeria are enormous. And Muhammadu Buhari will, as you already know, will have to combat a sluggish economy, high unemployment, Islamic insurgency, among several others.
We are now joined by Awal Musa, the Executive Director of the Civil Society Legislative Advocacy Center in the capital, Abuja. Thank you very much for accepting to speak to us, Awal. Muhammadu Buhari was sworn in what has been described as a low-profile event. And the government says it did this to save money for a next big event in just 2 weeks. As someone keen on corruption and transparency, what's your take on this?
Our own understanding is that if you are talking about saving money, you have to look at the entire gamut of cost of governance, reduction in the cost of governance, elimination of waste, and duplication of resources in all aspects of governance. So this swearing in, as far as we are concerned, is just is not necessarily the reason behind the decision to have this law, given the fact that we still, have so much, wasted in government, so much duplication, and if you really want to, reduce the cost of, or if you want to save money, it's not just this event that you would focus on. It should be the entire, way and manner in which, governance is run in Nigeria. So much waste, so much duplication, so much stealing, so much funding of public funds. Those are the avenues that you need to block. And, while we appreciate if there's sincerity, of what the government is talking about in terms of saving the money, but let it be applied to all aspects of governance. This one-off event, is not really what consume money. What consume money is the daily stealing, the diversion of public funds, and the misappropriation of funds. Those are the things that really concern Nigerians.
Selon vous, quels sont les domaines
you've mentioned key areas, but let us know where you think more money will be required during Buhari's next mandate.
I think, the truth of the matter is that in terms of the, security, infrastructure, government is still not, spending, actual money, in terms of providing, modern facilities to deal with the insurgency, criminality, and all form of criminality, as well as also taking care of the security personnel. If government is applying the resources, in this direct, and appropriate, areas, probably we will have dealt with the issues of, the insurgency and the criminality, as well as terrorism that is going on, in Nigeria. But this same, money is also being stolen and being siphoned. That is why the fight against Boko Haram and the insurgency, as well as armed banditry, is not being, resolved, because so much money is being given, but so much money is being alleged to be stolen. So government is not actually applying the resources wisely. Secondly, also, where money should have been, applied is in the area of health and education. This we are not seeing it happening. Still, women are dying because they want to give birth. A lot of people cannot afford Medicare. A lot of Nigerians are being deprived access to education.
Well, we have to leave it at that a while, but many thanks indeed for sharing your thoughts with us. Awal Musa, the Executive Director of the Civil Society Legislative Advocacy Center, speaking to us from the capital, Abuja.